Hello everyone. Do you want to track your Twitter ads conversion? With Webgarh GTM Assistant app, it is possible. Just simply log in with the Webgarh GTM Assistant app and select the Twitter Pixel service. So here is the Twitter Pixel service. Now you have to add your Twitter Pixel ID here and then click on connect to connect it. Just simply log in with the Twitter ads account. So you can see your Twitter ads dashboard is displaying. You can click on tools and then click on event manager. You can use the existing event tags as well, or you can click on create a new event tag. So as you can see, I have already created the Twitter pixel here. Now I am going to copy it and then return to the WebGuard GTM Assistant app and paste it over here and then click on connect to connect it. Now we have to wait for a movement while it's connecting. The WebGuard GTM Assistant app will automatically complete the integration for you. As you can see, the Twitter has been successfully connected. That's it. Once installed, your Twitter pixel will track a website conversion effortlessly. Thank you.